What is going on? See, I told you we'd finish it here, or start here. I didn't realize somebody's there.
I guess you're way far back in the space.
Are you ready? Ready? The most discombobulated video.
Okay, I was starting the video and then I didn't start it. And then I stopped it, now I'm starting it again. We are at Austin's football banquet. Season's over. Snaps! Yeah, Austin! We may or may not do a tournament depending on COVID numbers. But soon, him and all of his team will be doing this. We'll be back with that in just a second. Apparently Austin has started. He's number 10. So he's coming around. There he is. Oh, he got the pass. He passed him. Hey, tell me about it.
I'm a toxic player.
You're what?
I was a toxic player.
You had like the third fastest lap.
Good job, dude.
Can I kick you in the head in that helmet? Go ahead, bet somebody. Okay, so yesterday, how should I start this? It's now tomorrow. It's not last night anymore. We are currently, Bree and I, driving, she's filming, she's right there, driving to this hospital because we want to get COVID tested just to make sure that nothing is happening. We had 3 people come to our house last weekend who then later tested positive for COVID, which means they had it when they were at our house. We are not symptomatic, but again, we just want to be safe. We want to be safe. And then we're going to kind of lock down our house for a little while. Just kind of, lock it down. Do you see it anywhere? You see?
Yeah, this is the line right here.
Oh. COVID testing.
Enter here.
Ah, is that it? Is that?
That might be the end of the line, yes.
The end of the line.
Says enter here.
All right, we have entered. No, look at this. Wow, look at this line.
Wonder how fast this goes. Is this right?
This is right, but now we can't get out of this line. So we have now, whether or not we wanted to, because we were going to check out the line and see if it was fast. Okay, change of plans. That line was extremely long and it was winding, and we pulled in and we could have gotten blocked in and then had to have stayed there for hours. It didn't move while we were there for like 10 minutes and we got lucky and got out of there. So now we're going to go home, reassess, find another place to get tested, and then go there. So, go team. We did not get tested. Brief update. This room is a disaster. She is doing her driver's test. She passed the actual driving portion. Now she's doing the online testy portion. She has all the animals. He just had his 5th grade health maturation video that I watched with him. How was it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
2.
How cringy was it?
900.
900. I had to watch that with him, and we learned all about everything that you learn about when you're a growing young man.
Johnny and Janie, who are past childhood, are not yet quite grown into manhood and womanhood. Let's see how puberty affects Johnny.
So the other day when we went to Lagoon, nothing to see here.
So is it gonna be cotton candy?
I love cotton candy, so I had to stock up because I won't be getting any more cotton candy for the near future. So if there's a cotton candy maker or machine maker that would like to sponsor my videos, I'm in. Pure sugar. One more update. Couldn't find a place to get COVID tested today, so we're going to take the whole family tomorrow. It's a family activity. We all feel 100% healthy, but it's just to be safe, so. Ugh. And just like that, we're on to another day, another time, another place.
We need to fix those garbage bags that are going to fall out.
A little bit of a delay. Garbage problems fixed.
I'm not fixed though.
Yesterday we tried to get COVID tests because we were gonna check out the line and see if it was fast. Just to be safe. Nobody's symptomatic, but couldn't find anywhere. Found a place to make reservations, and now the whole family gets to go get their brain stuck out by a sticky nose thingamabob. So we'll see you when we get over there. Right here. And we're here. We made it. We're at the COVID testing center. I think we have to wear masks as we approach. We're pre-registered. We're authorized. We're ready to go. And now I need to get all 4 of our QR codes ready to go. So let me do that. Yeah, you don't have it? Just kidding. I have yours, Austin. So now we have to do that. So I gotta stop, and then we'll get our swabbings.
Okay.
Oh, face where? Oh, what?
Okay.
Oh.
Like you're driving.
Okay. So it's at that exact moment that I dropped my phone and it fell to my feet, and then they proceeded to stick the thing into my nose back to the back of my skull, and I couldn't reach down and get my phone while they were testing me, even though I wanted to film them testing me, and I just couldn't. And so that's what happened, and that'll go on for a minute as I cough and wheeze, and then we'll get back. You'll see. Sorry, I didn't mean to cough.
No, it causes coughing. It is.
Awesome. Woo! How was it?
Fun.
You did it, dude! Ah, we survived. Oh my gosh. That was... I was the baby. I can't help it. My nose is like, tickle, 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 tickle. She's like, relax your face. I'm like, I can't.
But now we're going to Target.
And then I drop.
No, we're not. We just got tested.
We got tested for COVID. We're not going to go party. And then I was coughing all over the place. I'm like, oh, that's the way it spreads. I shouldn't be doing that. All right, well, that was fun times. Let's go back. Let's go back home and I don't know, work on the basement or something. I don't know. Whoa. Okay, it's another day, and you can see our awesome neighbors, all their stuff in the back here. But there's flakes of snow. Wow, snow. So in honor of that, we're gonna sing a song. Okay, you ready? You start out.
Christmas is coming and Goose is getting fat.
You gotta keep going.
I can't. I don't know.
And then Christmas.
You don't have a pen.
Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Okay, we failed! We tried to do the round robin of that, and it didn't work. You look like one of the Three Stooges.
Yeah, I do.
Still waiting on our results. Maybe we have the Rona, maybe we don't. Nobody has any symptoms, so... Whoa.
Bless you.
Okay, quick update. It's been a few days. We had to wait for our results to get back. We're all negative. I've got some stuff on. I'm gonna go up, even though it's kind of snowing out there, I'm gonna go find some deer, hopefully. Maddie and Bree are going to go get her driver's license, and Austin should be coming home from school. We'll see how that all goes down with what's happening right now. Okay, I made it. Currently by houses. I have to get far away from houses. It's probably going to take me an hour or so to hike where I need to be. We'll give you an update in a little bit. Okay, one more update. Started hiking up. Came up, there's a hunter in the middle of the trail with a scope looking up. Apparently a couple of his buddies were up already on the hill looking for deer. So I went up another hill, got up, settled down, got my binoculars out, started looking, and then this rolled in. So now I have to hike down there and back out to my truck because I don't think this is going away anytime soon. Made it back to my truck. It hasn't stopped snowing, so I'm glad I came down. So I'm gonna head home. It's a fun 3-4 mile hike for I guess just my exercise. Also, I think I scheduled Maddie's driver's license appointment for the wrong day.
Hi. Hi. What are we doing? Hi. Yep. So today's the day. Maddie's getting her license. Hopefully. Hopefully we have all of the paperwork and everything she needs, because if not, then it's going to be a bad situation. Whoa.
Yeah. Probably gonna be in trouble for that one. We did it! She is a full-fledged driver of a car without friends in it for 6 months. That's the law here. No friends or anybody other than family in the car for 6 months. But she can drive by herself. Woo! We can be like, Maddie, go to the store and pick me up a burrito. Yes.
No burritos for you.
All right, let's go home, and then I don't know anymore, Mad. I just don't know. Okay, that's gonna do it for us, and I don't know what day it is because I can't remember when I recorded the last clip. So again, we're gonna finish off the video with a little bit of advice for the people. Today's turn is Maddie's. Maddie, hi. What advice do you have for the people? Numbers are skyrocketing. Thanksgiving is coming. People want to be together, but they can't.
Don't get corona.
Don't get corona. That is a great piece of advice from Maddie, who's now caught up on her homework.
Woo!
Yes. Austin, we need the word of the video. The word that people need to type if they watched all the way to the end of the video. What word are they going to type?
Sweat.
Sweat. Wow. Sweat. It has something to do with Fortnite. I don't know. I don't know. You're gonna bite me? All right. We will see you guys next time. Have a good day. We will be sequestered by ourselves for the remainder of the week for Thanksgiving because that's how things are going these days. See you later, Maddie. We'll see you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Maddie. Ah!
Click right here if you want to subscribe. And click right here if you want to watch our last video. And click right here if you want to watch our last awesome video. Thanks for watching, dudes.